Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 20x12 red dirt road RD01s, also known as a dirt, and some 37 1250 R20 Federal Couragia mud terrain tires. Now these Federal Couragia mud terrain tires, they are some of the most popular budget tires, and what I mean by that is the cost for the tire, you cannot beat it for the aggressive look. They have some of the most aggressive tread patterns. It's a great looking tire. However, it is relatively in the budget range, so you don't get the best ride quality, the best handling, or the best road noise. They are rather loud. With that being said, they come in at a great price point, and you cannot beat the aggressive look. They balance fine, not anything special. They're not a Toyo, they're not a Nitto, but they balance just fine. These red dirt road wheels, they're offered in a 17x9, an 18x9, a 20x9, a 20x12, and a 22x10. They're offered in a 5, 6, and 8 lug in all of the offsets from a positive 12 to a negative 44 millimeter offset. They're offered in 3 different finishes: a chrome, a black and machined, and an all black wheel. This is a black and milled wheel. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, or maybe the fender flares, or maybe some rails, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.